Hey everyone, this is Alex and welcome back to my videos on solving LeetCode problems. And on this video we're solving 1431 kids with the greatest number of candies. So there are n kids with candies. You're given an integer array candies where each candies I represents the number of candies that the kid of index I has, and an integer extra candies denoting the number of extra candies that you have. So these are the candies other people have, and I have extra candies as well. Return a Boolean array result of length n, where result of I is true if, after giving the kid of index I all the extra candies, they will have the greatest number of candies among all the kids, or false otherwise. Note that multiple kids can have the greatest number of candies. Then a Boolean array result. Okay, so if I give 3 candies to this one, it's 5, and then it's the highest. Same thing for kid 2. If I give it, it's the highest for sure. This one becomes 8 for sure. This one plus 3, 4, it's not the highest. There's a 5. This one's the highest because it becomes a 6. So what I think we need to do is, it's pretty simple. We need to find out what's the highest value, and that's the maximum of candies. And then we have final values, which is a list of bool. And now for candy in candies, if candy plus extra candies is bigger or equal than highest value, then actually we don't even need to do that. We can just say final values dot append, and we append this result, and then return final values. Okay, great. Runtime. Let me just submit again, see if the runtime gets better. It did get better. So how would I optimize this? I can actually condense this into one list comprehension. So return candy plus extra candies for candy in candies. I can just do a list comprehension. That's it. Well, it has done worse, but okay, I'm still happy with the results because this is the way to go. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.